So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Earth Street View on your mobile phone. So subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification. So this is how you get a street view using your phone on the map. So you go to your App Store or Google Play Store. For the matter of me using iPhone, so I have to go to my App Store. You search Google Earth. So download this app called Google Earth. So after downloading successfully, you open or you launch the app. So this is how the app looks like. You turn on your location and make sure your cellular data is on. So just have to search the location where you want to view in street mode, or you want to get a street view. So this is our location. Watch the direction of the arrow and click on that. So you hold any part of that blue line, the highlighted blue line there. You hold any part, you click and hold any part, and the street view will load automatically. So this is our street view. So you just have to slide to the left or right, anyhow you want to rotate, and you get the street view of the location. Take note that if the location is not highlighted in that blue and you hold the place, meaning the street view is not available for that location. So street view is available for locations that have been highlighted with that blue line. You can see the blue lines on the road. Yes, those are the only locations which are available in which has the street view mode. So you just have to hold any part of that, and you rotate and you get the location in street view. This is so simple.